Your Excellency, Madam Monica Chakwera, First Lady of the Republic of Malawi, Honorable Chizim Kadawide, MP, Minister of Youth and Sport, all Cabinet and Deputy Ministers here present, Mr. Vizenge Kumwenda, Chairperson of the Presidential Charity Golf Initiative Committee, and all the committee members of the Presidential Charity Golf Initiative here present, Mr. Gift Kawamba, President of the Golf Union of Malawi and Chairperson of the 2024 Golf Organizing Committee, and all the affiliates of Golf Union of Malawi here present. Dr. Kwanele Ngwenya, Chief Executive Officer of NBS Bank, Diamond sponsor, and all the sponsors of 2024 Presidential Charity Golf Initiative here present. Mr. Boyd Lue, Chairperson of Fundraising Subcommittee, and all the members of the YOSUP Committee here present. Your Majesty, Inkosi Yamakosi Gomani V, Mr. Shedrick Kusiro, Board Chairperson of the Country Club Limbe, and all the board members of the Country Club here present. Mr. Harold Piri, Country Club Limbe Captain. Councillor Joseph Makwinja, Mayor of Blantyre City. The Reverend Robert Yanduya, officiating clergy, and all the religious leaders here present. Senior Chief Kapeni, and all the traditional leaders here present. Distinguished invited guests, fellow golfers here present, ladies and gentlemen. It's been an absolute pleasure being here at Country Club Limbe, mixing it up with the best of golf that Blantyre has to offer. Just because we're here for a good cause does not mean we cannot enjoy ourselves in the process. And so congratulations are in order to the winners that are yet to be announced for this year's tournament. And like Mr. Vizenga said, the sponsors should not be expected to win. They are sponsors. But I have no doubt that all of us here have had a great time. Yesterday was great. It was a bad day for some folks, but it's always great to do what we have done. For my part, I have enjoyed your company. I have enjoyed the friendly banter. I have enjoyed the country club feel of this place. I have enjoyed the learning that the navigation of an unfamiliar golf course affords. And I have enjoyed the urban swagger of Blantyre folks. I have enjoyed the competitive spirit among us. And we had fun in our teams. Even though they played like pros, at certain places they played like amateurs. And I enjoyed the game. So I had a good time. And of course, I have no doubt enjoyed the opportunity that today's game has given me to put to rest and ask the rumor that some Blantyre people were being enticed to believe about me, that I would be soft on Blantyre players here on the golf course in the hopes of getting their votes in next year's election. But now you know that none of those rumors about me are true. So let me tell you some things that are true. It is true that I am grateful to all of you for coming out in such great numbers and with such great enthusiasm today. It is true that I am grateful to NBS Bank for stepping up to be the diamond sponsor of my charity tournament this year. It is true that I'm grateful to the other businesses and corporations that have responded to my appeal for support by pouring serious monies into this cause. It is true that I'm grateful for the amazing work of the committee of this charity initiative and the organizing committee of this year's tournament, how they have done it, putting all this event together in such a short time. Thanks to you. It is true that I am grateful to the Country Club Limby for being such an amazing host today. It is true that I'm grateful for each of you for your support that has helped us break all previous records of the amounts we have raised. For we have now exceeded 500 million kwacha in pledges, and I believe that together next year we'll be able to make history by breaking the 1 billion kwacha ceiling. It is good for us who have a little something to help those in our country who have lost everything, because the climate change disasters that befall millions of Malawians every year can strike any of us or our beloved ones at any moment, not only destroying the livelihoods and assets we have spent a lifetime building, but also leaving us helpless and leaving our children without an inheritance. That is what Cyclone Freddy did to 1 million Malawians last year, and that is what El Niño weather has done to millions more this year. And by participating in this charity golf tournament today and yesterday, you have lit a candle of hope in the dark tunnel that our fellow Malawians have been going through ever since these disasters befell them. And for this I say thank you. In the same way, those of us who have had the hallowed privilege of going through halls of a university know from experience that it is not easy or cheap to finish a degree, and so we should be the first to support those Malawians who have made it into university from under-resourced homes that struggle to sustain it. In my case, like many of our university students today, I went to the University of Malawi from a rural family that could not afford the cost of my education. And it was the support of both the government and citizens of goodwill that subsidized the education through which I acquired the skills to build the career that I've had to this day. And I have no doubt that there are many of you here who have a similar story, a story of being supported by others to complete the university education you have used to build the career that you have to this day. For this reason, it is important for us who have benefited from the generosity of others to give back by supporting those students who are struggling to make ends meet. These two causes, the cause of supporting vulnerable families who are struggling to recover from devastating effects of climate change, and the cause of supporting vulnerable students who are struggling to complete their education, college education, are very dear to my heart. So it delights me that every year, when I host this charity golf tournament, I discover more and more golfers across Malawi who are also passionate about these causes. More and more golfers who love their country. More and more golfers who want to serve others. More and more golfers who care more about making a difference than making noise. And I can tell you that even between yesterday and today, there are those who said, we wanted to participate and yet there were already over 180. If anyone asks what tribe of Malawians I belong to, tell them that I belong to your tribe, the tribe of patriots who care only about serving Malawians. And what an amazing tribe you are. God bless you, and God bless Malawi.